What's up, and welcome back to another episode of What the Hell Am I Doing? So, I used two of my day trades today. I don't regret it because I was trying something interesting. But it didn't work, so I learned something. So, I looked at Oracle this morning, and literally this comes out a little bit before 9:30, and then these come out at 9:30. And I was looking for which one of these longs that are in green have the most what's it called, have the most like room. Like this thing called long delta is the difference between this and this. So this is technically supposed to move 51 cents, 44 cents, $19. So I'm going to show you everything that I was looking at, but this, if it's red, it's considered a short. So and these are what was the last uptick. Okay, so I was looking at CBRS, and the signal to buy was 427. And this is also interesting that I discovered today. The minute the signal gets hit, this thing turns green, like just how you saw it. And like looking at this, it's just not doing anything, right? Look how big the float is. It almost rotated one time. Um, but I mean, this was like watching paint dry for me. I was just like not happy. But I paper traded it at like 100 shares at 425. It's up 3 cents in the last, like, when was this? This was at 10:30. It's 1:30 right now. So 3 hours for 3 cents. So big floats are really not for me. And then looking at the level 2, there's like a lot of numbers on both sides. And in terms of the news, but actually when I looked at the daily chart of this was really interesting because it looks like it's a clear skies play, and I kept going back further and further. We're in the 4, so it's even further than this, um, even further than the 3-year chart. Let's look at 4-year. And at the 4-year mark, you get to see one point of resistance at 429. And then at the 5-year mark, you get to see more resistance here in the 430s. And looking at the 2-day chart, so this is a robotics company, I guess. Hold on, let me look at the news for a second. Okay, shareholder alert, that's not good. Some type of investigation of buyout. I don't know what that means. But I was looking at the daily chart and I was like, ooh, I like the daily chart. But I was like, this is such a huge float. Can it actually move? So that coupled with Oracle, and then when this broke out, I was like, oh man, because I was looking at the 1-minute chart and I was like, oh man, because this moved so fast. Hold on. This moved like really quick, but it's such a slow stock. Like it goes, eh, eh. So I don't know about the news. I don't think that's good for them to have an investigation. Um, so I'm just not interested in plays like this. Like literally from this morning, $2. Like it doesn't even cover commissions for me. Oh my God. Slig hot. Sorry. And what's it called? Then I was also looking at VSI. VSI also had nice long delta. It had like 44 cents of range. And I was like, cool, I'm down for that. And I liked VSI because it's a low float and it rotated almost one time, which isn't that high for me, but I was like, cool, it's moving at least. Is VSI the one that has, hold on, no. So I started making some points like, where is the bottom here? Like I saw that this was sitting on this level. It was up around here. Okay, it's sitting, this is sitting here, this. And I was like, you know, what STT is telling me is that there's a top somewhere over here. There's resistance. So I was like, this is my range of motion. So, so I traded this one. I'm going to show you how I traded it. I'm going to tell you what happened. The best part of the day is that I didn't lose a substantial amount. That's why I'm not like really upset. I lost like 4 cents both times, so pretty much just lost commissions. I was at 660, now I'm at 636. But at least I tried my idea. So this is what happened this morning. Now you see when it says signal 639. So I tried to be smart and I was like, oh shit, it's breaking the signal. It's going to be touching the signal. This is my time to get in. And I got in at like 6:38:50 or something like that. And then it just was like whoop, and I had my limit, my risk right over here at 635 because you see this is the bottom here and then this is the bottom. This is the bottom. And it just tricked me by 1 cent. But even if I would have held this, right? I bought this at what, 9:35. The time that I re-entered with this took 2 hours to not move anywhere. And the highest it went was 641. So that's like 3 cents difference. So I had more hope in this one, even though I didn't like the daily chart. I had more hope because it's a lower float. But I don't understand. I really don't understand what's going on. Maybe this will keep moving tomorrow. I don't know. I thought Oracle was like this is where it's supposed to move today type of thing. And then I saw this and I was like, how does this have $19 of range, right? So then, and I was like, how is it a short? Like, what's going on? So I pulled it up and I was like, if I would have just, wait, was that today? 2 days, 1 minute? Yeah. I was like, if I would have just bought this, 24, this went up $5. Even if I would have, bought, hold on, let me do 600 divided by, let's say 2450. 2450 is 24 shares. So 24 shares times 2450 is 588, and 24 shares times 29 is 696. So pretty much $100. This is a $100 move. Would I have made it to the top? I don't know, But $5 of range over here, even though this says it's a short. So the signal was for 2418, but it never touched 2418. Did it? Let me check this out. 2421 was the lowest it got. Wait. Oh wait. No, 2420, and it never went lower than that. So I don't understand. But 2726 was I just don't understand. I really don't. 27 jeez. 2726 seems to be like right over here actually. This is like the breakout level. 27, it breaks past all this stuff and it goes for another $2 of range. So that's cool. But today was just so confusing in terms of that stuff. So, and then why are these negative? AMC. Hold on, I want to pull this up to check. Where did Oracle go? Is this Oracle? Yeah. AMC, the signal 1250, resistance at 1210, minus 40 cents. I just don't understand, but I watched so many videos about this. Am I doing things backwards? Here, 1250, that's the top of today, and it's like a huge short. So I don't understand. I just don't know. If you understand, can you help me? Because I don't understand. I thought I understood the red is short, the green is a long. So what is happening? What is happening? But kind of an interesting indicator or thingamajig if you want like help. You know what I'm saying? Like I usually sit down and I don't know what the hell I'm doing, which is why the name of this program is the name of this program, but I like stuff like this that would give me a little bit more help. And it's weird because these green ones, like, they did kind of work over here, but these are so slow. So I don't know. I need Tim Bowen to help me. Um, but I was just like $20 of range and resistance at $47, and there's support at 22. What is even the news? Earnings report um, beats revenue or beats something by 27 cents. Second quarter earning results. So I don't even know this company, Green Dot. I don't know what this means. So yeah, but isn't that interesting? Um, and I guess this makes a lot of sense that this would be the breakout level, you know, because look at it sit back down right there. This is the bottom, like boop, and then boop, 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 you know. Um, I just don't know what's happening. So this is what I was breaking my mind about today. Um, what else can I tell you? RBZ was a low float top percent gainer that I was watching, but it just looks like a gap and crap type of thing. Um, and when I think it was on Oracle also. Hold on. RBZ. Yeah, it had only a little bit of range, so I was like, forget it. It's not worth my time. So that was really cool that I could just skip that. Because I think before, like, I would get really, like, shiny object syndrome and just be like, ooh, what happened over here? Why is this a red one? I want to see what Z is. It has $6 of range. I didn't even notice this. This is kind of high price for me, though. But this one didn't do the thing that the other one did of moving like a bunch. So, but then again, Oracle isn't 100%, you know? But what I'm asking is like, so it was a short at 42, wait, 42 to 39. So from 42 to 39. So on this one, the short, it's like a short. So what happened over here? Was this a short squeeze on G dot? I don't know. So I want to understand that. So it's not 100%. Remember yesterday I was showing you guys Weight Watchers and how it went from 25 to 29? It's in the 30s today. So super cool, you know? Super cool. Um, yeah. But so through Oracle, I'm finding stocks that are moving like dollars of range, but they're so high priced where it's like I can only buy 20 shares, you know? But I think it's an interesting feature. Um, but I wish I knew like I'm trying to ask myself like, oh look at DCDG's chart too. I guess it's having a pullback now. I don't know anything about this company. So for this, now it's 642. This is like a penny higher from when I sold it, like, no, 2 pennies higher from when I sold it over here at 12.19. Um, but like, if I would have bought here at the bottom, or like right here after the bottom is confirmed, 635, I wouldn't even be up 10 cents. You know, on not even 100 shares. I wouldn't have even skirted commissions. So I don't know. So I think I'm gonna like take Oracle into consideration, but I'm also gonna be mindful that there are that this isn't even that big of a float. So you know what I think it is? I think that the daily chart on this one might have a lot of bag holders, which is why the stock is getting stuffed. I'm guessing. It just seems like a regular gap fill to me, and then all this is getting, stuffing it. Um, I don't know. I have no idea. I'm lost as ever, but kind of cool to incorporate these things. So I guess I'll just watch it tomorrow. I have one day trade tomorrow. I'm just gonna keep my eyes peeled for low float movers, which are my favorite, which have nice charts. That's what I really want to play. You know, I wish there was one of those every day, but there isn't. So I'm trying to practice being patient. Um, but today I was like, oh, this is like so much range of motion, and you know, it just didn't work out. So, um, what else? On my page here, waste of time. um, I give so this is when Oracle broke the signal. You know, the signal, if you look over here, the signal is 427. So, like, this was the moment, like 12-ish, where you can see it, like, broke. This is 429. So I was like, oh, cool. Um, and then it started to have that little green thing that the signal has been reached, I get, or not reached, but touched, and now it's doing long delta. Um, and then here I was talking about why I got back in, because this finally turned a little bit green, and I was like, oh, now it's starting to move. But now I can see that, like, this totally didn't move today. What did I write about VSI? Made a trade based on Oracle predictions, tried to enter near the signal price, but it failed. Then it broke my risk, which was 34 cents, right over here. That's why I got out. So I got out. Good trade overall, but didn't work. And then so I was in at 638, out at 634, so I lost 4 cents. So with these huge movers, I felt more in control of my exit price in a sense. Like I felt more in control. Like if I want to get out, I can get easily out, or if I want to get in, I can get closer to my risk because it's not moving so quickly. But at the same time, it's not moving at all. You know what I'm saying? So, and I'm just too afraid. I'm just too afraid to hold anything overnight. So that's where I'm at today. I'm proud of myself for learning something new, but I just don't like low floats. I just don't like big floats because I don't hold overnight. I need intraday action. Um, so that's it. I will try again tomorrow, and I think honestly my discipline has improved. I'm not just like, ooh, you know, but and if I don't see anything tomorrow, I will hold that day trade till Monday. So I think I've gotten it out of my system that I have to use it like the minute I get it back. So congratulations to me on that. But anyway, thank you for watching. Oh, and my favorite songs now are from this singer. Her name is Victoria Hanna. My favorite songs are the Aleph Bet song, 22, and Ani Yeshena. They're all in Hebrew. They're amazing. She's an amazing singer, and it's like got an amazing beat. So if you want to check that out, check it out. Actually, I'm just going to link them below because I love her music. All right, bye.